First up this week, I've been adapting another illustration for Wise Woman Ways. So that's a lady that does some spiritual kind of healing sessions. So this is me just doing a potion bottle for one of the illustrations. So I'm just drawing out the illustration and then I'm going to be colouring it in. And at the very end of this section, you can see the final illustration that I created for her too. Here I am creating a new mermaid illustration. You can see me colouring in the background with watercolour in this one. In actual fact, this hasn't turned out quite the way I wanted it to, but it's okay, and I might try redrawing it at some point. But this one is actually called the Freshwater Mermaid because in the little orb that she is holding is a little picture of the freshwater caves near where I live. So I thought it would be a nice little touch, a little nod to the place that I love the most. So I hope you like this one, and you can see the final illustration in more detail at the very end of this section. And now it's time for my little lost library update. As you can see from the videos here, I have been busy painting it and adding all the little details to finish it off. So I'm going to leave you with a few clips of me putting it all together. And next week I will show you some final pictures of it all in situ. It's very exciting and a lot of fun. And what fun thing did I do this week, I hear you ask? Well, I went to another fair because we have loads and loads of them on the island. This is called the Chale Show, and they have little fruit and veg competitions. They have stalls, a fun fair. I think they had monster trucks this year. So yeah, it was a lot of fun, and we had a little walk around and sat down and listened to some music, which was lovely. And yeah, really enjoyed it. So that is all for this week. So hopefully I will see you next week for another update. Take care and I'll see you soon. Bye.